If back in 2020 someone would have told me that very soon I'd be driving a very capable full-size off-roader with 816 horsepower, plug-in hybrid, with a very luxurious interior and a brutal exterior, that is made in China and costs around $100,000, I'd probably be very skeptical and say that that's impossible. Yet here we are today in 2025, and I'm driving this M Hero 917 that costs around $100,000, is made in China, does have 816 horsepower, is a plug-in hybrid, and just look at this exterior. I've had this car for almost a month now, but I haven't tested its off-road capabilities yet, and that is exactly what I'm planning to do today. I'll be taking it to the south of Azerbaijan, to a place called Lerik, with beautiful mountains and forests. And hopefully, it will be able to take me to a beautiful waterfall that I've wanted to see for a very long time, and I'll be able to have my tea there. As you probably know from my channel, cars are not just about driving for me. It's about the road, it's about the journey, it's about the places that they take us to, it's about the people that we meet along the way, the cultures that we see, and the moments that we live. And if this car is as capable as they say, then I will share something very beautiful with you. Got off the highway and now conquering the off-road bit of my journey, and this is where this car should really shine. Although I must say that on the highway it was really comfortable and very luxurious, and I'm surprised how they fit so much luxury in this price segment. And when it comes to comfort, if you've driven a full-on off-road vehicle before, you know that they're not on the comfortable side. But this one, surprisingly, is very comfortable. It's more like a full-size family SUV level comfort. The road itself is not as difficult as I thought it would be, but still I think it's challenging enough, and if it will get me to my destination and if I feel comfortable and confident still, I will take it to much more difficult terrain in a harsher weather condition. Please let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that, but for now I will stop talking and let you enjoy the ride. As you can see by the beautiful waterfall behind me, the car did take me to my destination, and although the whole road was not as challenging as I initially thought it would be, there were some parts where the car showed that it does really have potential and that it really is escapable, as they say. And if I take it to a more challenging road on a more challenging terrain in a more challenging weather condition, I think it can do it. I think it can get me anywhere I want to get. But now I want to have that tea that I came here for. I want to take a moment to take it all in, to enjoy the moment. The destination is beautiful. The journey was very nice. The car really surprised me. And the nature, the life, the sounds, the water, the air we breathe here, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna go enjoy that tea, and I wish you all the best.